Welcome to Louis Frank Motor Cars. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 BMW 750i X-Drive. The 750i is finished off in mineral white with an ivory white leather interior. With just over 30,000 original miles, the 750i is in amazing condition. We do these videos here at Louis Frank Motor Cars just to give buyers a little bit more insight into a vehicle that they may be purchasing, as well as to show off the overall quality and condition of the vehicles that we buy and sell. Absolutely stunning 750i. It's white on white, probably the most desirable color combination for this car. It is an M Sport model, so you do have the M Sport wheels, Shadowline trim, distinctive M Sport front and rear bumpers, an M Sport steering wheel. I mean, the list goes on and on with this car as far as different options and different things that kind of set this car apart from your normal 750. It's in absolutely gorgeous condition. The car is also under warranty, so these cars had a 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from the factory, and I just called our local BMW dealership here, and they informed me next year, July 22nd of 2020, or 20,000 more miles on this car is what's the balance is left on the warranty. So you do have another year or 20,000 miles of driving with a full bumper-to-bumper warranty with this vehicle left. So really nice value there. Again, you could drive this car for the next year and put as many miles under 20,000 as you want on it, and it will be under a bumper-to-bumper BMW factory warranty, which is the ultimate peace of mind. It's in gorgeous condition. It's fully serviced. There's not one thing you're going to need to do to this vehicle when you get it. It is 100% ready to go. 2 original keys for the car. Again, it's been fully serviced and it's in fantastic condition. This has been a 100% non-smoking car. Nobody's ever lit a cigarette in this vehicle. Again, it is in stellar condition. You look down the sides, there's not a dent or a door ding on the car. But again, this video is going to be on a little bit on the longer side because there are just so many options. The list on this car, it is just staggering how many amazing options. And I want to go over as many as I can remember during the video. So let's take a peek at the interior. The first thing you're going to notice getting into the interior of the car, it does have the Shadowline trim, so there's actually no chrome molding on the car. It really gives the car a extremely sporty appearance for its size. You do have that check mark there on the bottom of the car that is all black as well. Opening the door, the interior is striking. All white. You do have some small pieces of leather on the dash that are black with a light gray stitching that goes throughout it. And it's a dark, almost a zebra pattern wood on the interior. But the condition is really outstanding with this car. Another small little option is the M Sport badges that are illuminated actually at night. So when you open the doors to this car, it is just incredible how high-end the touches are with this car, even at night, even just the illumination. And I actually forgot something even getting in. So these cars have a entry carpet, is what BMW calls it. There's a lighting system that actually runs down the entire side of the vehicle, and it's designed to light or illuminate at night. So when you actually unlock the car, the whole side, this floor area illuminates. It's absolutely amazing to see. And again, it's just something that the attention to detail with this car that is just striking. Getting back to the interior, it's absolutely gorgeous. Again, the condition is amazing, but also the high quality leather, the stitching, the diamond stitching on these seats is incredible. Notice the bolster here is virtually flawless. I mean, it's really in phenomenal condition. You have the off-tone carpeting in this car too, so you have that beautiful black carpeting. But I mean, stepping into this car, you really feel like you're stepping into something extremely special. I'm gonna just sit behind the wheel here. It is 95 degrees today in Boston. So I do have the air conditioning on. This also has air conditioning seats. I'm gonna just lower the fans down a little bit. Just in amazing condition. Again, like a brand new car. Again, you're under factory warranty for the next year or 20,000 miles. Again, all the options that you'd want in one of these cars. Something really neat, when you go through these adaptive drive modes, it actually changes the way the gauges you interact with the gauges. So it's in its comfort mode now. Your sport mode changes it to a more aggressive look, and your Eco Pro mode, another really unique look to the gauge cluster. Really, really neat. And even the nav screen, again, even the comfort mode in this car, you have a standard comfort mode and you have a comfort mode plus. It's extra comfortable setting is what BMW calls it. It's amazing. It's absolutely, when you drive this car, it feels like a cloud. And I know people use that a lot in the car world. Oh, it drives like a dream, it drives like a cloud. This car is phenomenal. I mean, the ride is, I mean, it's not numb. It's not completely numb, but it's just such a supple ride. It's so comfortable going down the road. Again, this is almost the same pattern that you'll see when you unlock the car that I was talking about, the carpeting on the ground, that light carpet. That is almost the pattern that BMW uses in the lighting system outside. Really, really neat. Also, you'll notice an Alcantara suede headliner throughout the car. But the condition up here is amazing. Let's go through some of the options. You have a push to start button here. No keys necessary. It unlocks and locks on its own. You also have the steering assistant. It can't be turned on right now because it's in park, but the steering assistant essentially will drive the car for you. It'll steer the car for you for up to 15 seconds, providing that the road is painted with fresh lines or has legible lines on the road. You do have a heads-up display. It might be a little bit tough to see. Actually, you can see it right there. Full heads-up display. A much better heads-up display than you're probably used to. More information is regarding the speed limit, navigation. It actually will illuminate red. The numbers and everything will turn red when you're speeding. It's really a neat feature, so you can always tell if you're speeding or not. This actually looks like buttons down here. This is actually a screen. It's amazing. I mean, again, the definition of the screens in this car look as close to buttons as you'll find. You have your heated seats, air-conditioned seats, heated steering wheel, dual-zone climate control. Again, just amazing array of options. The list in this car of just touches is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Massage seating as well. I'm going to hit this button right down here to the left, and when you hit that button and you look at the navigation screen, it'll show different settings for the massage functions in the car. So you can do a shoulder massage, you can do a lumbar massage, you can actually change the level of strength of the massage. It is, and this is driver and passenger seat. So again, if you want to be spoiled driving this car, there are so many different functions. Let me hit that button again. There's so many different functions that you can go through just to keep yourself comfortable. I mean, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. So you hit this, you can hit this back button here and shoot through screens. And I'll go right back to that massage screen. Again, you can go through all different sorts of massage functions, upper body exercise, whole body exercise. It actually has sensors in the seat to keep you active in the car. You push against, essentially you push against the seat, and it will give you a little bit of a workout in the car. Amazing. You have a power screen, complete power sunshades in this car throughout the interior of the vehicle. I mean, amazing. And then at a touch of a button, you hold this button down and you can actually retract every screen in the car. Also above you, you have a sunshade, and to be honest with you, I have no idea how to move that sunshade. Actually, I do. Right here. that button there. So there's 2 power sunshades in this car with different buttons that activate them. You also have makeup mirrors that are back here that are even lit. I mean, again, I don't know if you saw that in that shot. It's the attention to detail is incredible. And that beautiful diamond stitching goes to the back seats as well. I mean, they spared no expense in the interior of this car when they designed it. It's just incredible. And the legroom, I mean, I'm going to jump out right now. I know I'm missing tons of options. Actually, let me show you one more thing. I know this is insane, but it's just, there's so much fun stuff in here. So not only do you have a backup camera, front and rear camera, but this car actually has a 300, you zoom that in better. This car has a 360-degree camera, which again is, I've never seen in a car before. And I think it was an industry first with this particular car. But if you cycle through the different camera modes, you'll see a picture of the car. You can actually spin the camera around the car, and again, you're looking at all the angles of my driveway, and it is just, let me get it in focus again there. It's kind of tough to pick up the screen, but you can just go right around the car and see right around the vehicle. When you're parking, this is probably one of the most amazing camera systems I've ever seen. The technology here is incredible. Put it back in park. But again, you'll have more fun with that 360 camera. And it even shows you when you open the door. I mean, amazing. Amazing. Going to the back seat, again, I promised I'd show you it. I know it's been a long video, but I just want to go over so much. The car is so exciting, just with all these amazing options. Beautiful ivory white leather interior. You have those beautiful illuminated M emblems as you step in. Again, incredible. The condition is incredible. All that beautiful diamond stitching, as I said before, throughout the interior of the car. It has standalone climate control back here, as well as heated seats. You have more of that beautiful wood behind the seats as well. But as far as legroom, let me pull back there. You can fit a giant person in the back of this car, and they'll still have room. Door panels, again, that same attention to detail. You can control all the sunscreens from this side of the car as well, even the above roof panel. Both sides of the car can also be controlled from each side. It's just absolutely amazing attention to detail. We're Lewis Frank Motor Cars. We're in Danvers, Massachusetts, just outside of Boston, Massachusetts. Again, I know this was a long video. I appreciate you hanging in there for watching it. I think it's just such an exciting car and at a great price point. This car, when it was new, was just south of $120,000. We have this car listed. And again, keep in mind, you still have that amazing warranty still left with this car. You can put another 20,000 miles and a year of driving on this car, and it is completely under a BMW factory warranty. We're Lewis Frank Motor Cars, Danvers, Massachusetts, just outside of Boston, Massachusetts. If you look at this car, Florida, California, anywhere in between, we can actually get the vehicle shipped right to your driveway. Just give us a call for a transport quote. Again, thank you so much for taking all this time for me blabbing about this car. I think it is one of the most amazing vehicles for sale today, and I think the new owner of this car is going to be in the lap of luxury, and also really buying a car that's a no-brainer. It's still under warranty. So 781-771-8722. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about this vehicle, we'd be happy to help. Thanks again.